Hey there, beautiful. I'm Connor, and welcome to the video. In case you didn't know, I cut my own hair because I don't like going to barber shops. Also, it's free. I can do it myself. I use a wall trimmer that I got from Walmart. Get it? Walmart. But especially since it's becoming summer and it's getting hotter, I decided I actually want shorter hair because, especially where I live, it gets really humid and everything gets sticky in hair. I have thick, wavy hair, so when it's humid and it's hot, it goes all over the place. I don't like dealing with that, so hair. I don't have any special technique to cutting my hair. I just make the sides and the back a little shorter than the front. It could be hit or miss. I don't really care that much about it, but I know I want it shorter than it is now. So, okay, so here, I think, let's just go. Okay. The wind's blowing a little bit. My technique, I guess you could call it, it's very simple. I go all the way around, take a few passes to make sure there's not any like really stray hairs that's like sticking out real longer than the others. I actually find the back easier to do because it just goes straight down, so just going up makes it easier to just get. Also, just from personal experience, having doing this a few times, I find it easier after you like wash your hair because the clippers, at least these, it goes through the hair easier than if it's like sort of oily, because then it sort of sticks, I guess. It's a lot easier after you've washed your hair. I just took a shower. Might have to take another shower. I just thought of that. Cat wanted to come out. The sides, depending on, I don't know what style you go for, you can move it around a certain way. Oh, can you see him? Yeah, you can. I just kind of brush it a little bit out of the way, and then because my hair goes this way. Some people's hair might go the other way, but mine goes this way. I'm covered in hair and it is itchy. Probably also should have shaved before doing this. Could leave it like this, but I'm not going to. Okay, so just make sure sides and the back are a good length now. Getting the top's always a little trickier because it would be easier to just make it all the same length, but I don't want to do that. So, yeah, this is sort of a hit or miss if I get exactly what I want, but I mean, hey, at least I'm not relying on someone else to do it, because if I mess it up, I only have myself to blame. So, yeah. I have to restart the camera because it's got a limit. It's hard to maneuver this thing around. It'd be a lot easier to cut someone else's hair. Also, to really get into styling it, really I'd have to wash it again because I blow dried it when it was longer, so really, if I want to play around with it, I'd have to re-wash it and then try again. I got a lot of hair on my face. I don't know if you can see that. Doing this really early in the morning because I didn't want to do this during the day because it gets really humid, and once it starts to get humid, the hair gets sticky and hard to deal with. You also have to consider the actual shape of your head, because if you want a certain style, it does matter. Some people have a flat top, like the top of their skull is flat. Mine is not. Mine's more rounded, so my hair will generally have like a more rounded shape, but I try to compensate for that by actually leaving this part longer than right here, so I can get, you know, I don't know, a taller front, because I think it looks better. The humidity's getting to my hair. It's starting to do this weird wave thing right in the middle that it wasn't before. I can always take the scissors and like fix it up in a specific way. I don't know if I have to. I normally do this shirtless, but I'll spare you from that. Really, I'm not going to know entirely what the complete outcome is until I rewash it and then re-style it. Again, some people have a square head. I don't. Mine's rounded, so my head and face shape is generally more round. I could go a little shorter in the top front region, but I don't know. I think that looks good for now. I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm going to go shower and try and fix it up, and then maybe show you if I could, I don't know, maybe make it look better? I don't know. I'll try. Okay, so I just showered, and sorry about the light. This is this towel. Okay, but I just showered, and I washed it up. I had a lot of little hair follicles all over my body. That's itchy. So, yeah. But this is it after a little bit of a cleaning up. Not sure how good this angle shows it. Also, shaved a little bit, fixed that. Yeah, it works nice. It's got a good shape. I'm not good at angle. Is that a good angle? I don't know. I suck at this. Sorry, but yeah, I'm pretty much, yeah. That's the process of me cutting my hair. Hit or miss. I'm not a professional barber or anything. It's not super easy doing the top, but anyways, I'm okay with it. I like it. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time you see me. Bye.